Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay, so Mark's disease is a recessive disease characterized by the urge to build wooden towers, and is represented by the little m allele. The big M alleles were normal. Okay, Chanbi's parents did not have Mark's disease, but she knows her maternal grandfather did. Okay, Chanbi's father's parents are all normal and do not have any little m alleles. What are the chances that Chanbi has Mark's disease? Okay, so this one's a little bit more challenging, so you got to think about it. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and then try this problem on your own, and then we'll solve it in a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this. Okay, so the information that we have is Chanbi's parents did not have Mark's disease. Okay, so for Chanbi's parents, because Mark's disease is a recessive disease, um, her parents' genotype there's two possibilities. Okay, so they could be big M, big M, okay, or big M, little m. Okay, so we don't know right now. Okay, so let's read on to the next line. But she knows that her maternal grandfather did have Mark's disease. Okay, so let's say maternal grandfather. That means his genotype was little m, little m. Okay, and then we know that the next line says Chanbi's father's parents are all normal and do not have any little m alleles. So what are the chances that Chanbi has Mark's disease? Okay, so here you have to figure out what her parents, Chanbi's parents, genotype is. Okay, so the father side, right? Father side is the paternal side, right? So paternal grandparents, if they didn't have any little m alleles, then they are both big M, big M. Okay, so here we have to kind of like work a little bit backwards.